In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple work schedule in Excel. To get started, open Microsoft Excel. A work schedule is a useful tool for organizing employee shifts, working hours, and days off. And Excel is a great option because it makes the schedule easy to build, update, and customize for different team sizes. Once Excel is open, create a new workbook and begin setting up the schedule layout. In the first row, enter your column headings. Start with employee in the first column, then add the days of the week across the row, such as Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. If your team also works weekends, you can include all 7 days. This first row becomes the structure of your schedule, so keeping the headings clear and consistent will make everything easier to read later. Next, move to the first column under the employee heading and type in each employee name on its own row. For example, you might enter team members one by one, so each person has a dedicated line in the schedule. This setup helps you quickly scan across the row to see that employee's work pattern for the week. After that, begin entering work shifts for each day. In the cells that line up with each employee and each weekday, fill in the assigned shift. You can use time ranges like 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. or 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. If someone is not working on a certain day, simply enter off. Try to keep the format consistent throughout the sheet so the schedule looks clean and is easy for others to understand at a glance. Now it's time to format the schedule so it looks polished and professional. Bold the header row to make the column titles stand out. Then, center align the shift times so the entries appear neat and balanced inside each cell. You can also adjust the column widths to improve readability, especially if some shift times are being cut off. To clearly separate each employee and each day, add borders to the schedule by going to the Home tab, selecting Borders, and then choosing All Borders. This gives the schedule a grid layout that is much easier to follow. As an optional final step, you can convert the schedule into a table. Select the full schedule, press Ctrl and T, make sure My Table has headers is checked, and then click OK. This is helpful if you want easier sorting and filtering later, especially as your team's schedule grows. And that's how to create a simple work schedule in Excel.